Hello, my name is Katya. Welcome to my studio. Today, I'm pleased to present to you my video demonstration, how I paint roses. Roses have been growing in my backyard for more than 20 years. Over time, they climbed all the way to the third floor of my house, wrapping around cable and phone wires and forming beautiful arches. In early June, for about 2 magical weeks, the vines burst into bloom, creating a breathtaking rose tree covered with hundreds of large white pink roses. During this time, my painting life becomes very busy. I simply paint them every day until the last rose falls. Roses are among my favorite flowers to paint. When the blossoms appear, I often move my studio downstairs into the backyard so I can paint them directly from life. Other times, I bring freshly cut roses upstairs and arrange them in my studio as a still life. When I was a young art student, my instructors often discouraged me from painting roses. I remember hearing that they would never truly look like flowers, that they would resemble cabbages. Others said roses are simply too difficult to paint. For a while, I avoided them. But after a decade of formal training both here and abroad, mastering figure and portrait painting and teaching these subjects for 15 years, I returned to the idea of painting flowers. By then, I no longer felt intimidated by roses. I realized that the same painting principles can be applied to any genre, whether portrait, landscape, or still life. I began painting roses in Alla studies, treating them almost like miniature portraits. I also created more refined, realistic floral paintings after studying and copying works by the great master Henry Latour and other painters in museum collections. Today, I use both approaches, alla prima and direct painting. Usually the subject and the time available determine which method I use. In this new instructional video, approximately 4.5 hours long, I share my step-by-step process of painting roses while explaining the fundamental principles of direct oil painting.